Okay, hi guys. So this is day 17, I guess. So today we are on Friday and we are in Sokhna in Egypt, and I'm having good time. Like new friends I'm knowing, and they are so good. So I didn't make my meditation yesterday because I had to travel to Cairo to meet them, and I stayed the night there, so I couldn't make my meditation yesterday. But I tried to like sleep. I didn't sleep as well, so I tried to sleep and have some breathing techniques as a meditation, but I didn't do like an exact meditation. But today I made love meditation for Sadhguru, and it was amazing, guys. In this place, and as you can see, it's so beautiful. I hope you can see, it's so beautiful here. So having a meditation in this place is a blast. I really loved it, and I felt it, and it was amazing experience. So I didn't make my meditation yesterday, but still feeling love, and it feels so much love inside my heart again. And I had a new experience yesterday for my current reality begin to change, so that's a good sign too. So I guess this is for today, and I'm gonna post some of the pictures and videos on Instagram and maybe in this video. So I'm gonna see you soon.